Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership of your master recording and publishing. This avoids takedowns later. Next, choose one distributor. DistroKid, CD Baby, TuneCore are common because Apple Music requires an aggregator. Upload a high-quality WAV file, 16 or 24-bit, and prepare artwork at 3000 by 3000 pixels. Enter track metadata, exact title, contributor roles, and SRC if you have one. Once that initial upload is complete, schedule a release date and make sure all fields are accurate before moving on. You now complete the detailed delivery settings that Apple needs. Fill in release date, territories to distribute to, and pricing. This controls availability. Add SRC and UPC codes. If you lack them, the aggregator will generate them for you. Carefully enter composer and performer credits so royalties route correctly, and select the primary genre, language, and explicit content flag. Once done, review the audio and artwork previews. Make sure metadata matches exactly, because mismatches delay processing. You finish by approving the release in your distributor dashboard and confirming delivery to Apple Music. Monitor acceptance emails and the distributor status. When live, claim your Apple Music for Artist's profile to access analytics and profile tools. If Apple rejects the submission, don't panic. Common issues include artwork size, explicit flag, or metadata mismatches. In that case, fix the exact error, re-upload, and redeliver. Make sure you can prove rights if asked. One tip, keep screenshots and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.